Today we will start where we left off, at the bistro. After grabbing some breakfast or lunch, we will head east on the path about a mile, and then we will head south to Sonoqui Trail to head back west. I will share an interesting stop along the way and a delicious place to eat. Just a reminder, the bistro is located at 22721 South Ellsworth Road, Queen Creek, Arizona. There is plenty of parking and you should be able to leave your car there for the day. Of course, you can always start at Mansell Carter Oasis Parks or Desert Mountain Park. I will link that information below, but for now, let's cross the bridge, the trail's right beneath us, and let's head east and then south to Sonoqui Wash Trail. There is an old stagecoach stop I'm anxious to share. Desert Wells Stagecoach Post. We will speed things up for now. The turnoff south is about 1 mile away. The Queen Creek Wash Trail ends in about 1.5 miles. The master plan has it going on for at least 4 more miles eventually. You will see a sign say no motorized vehicles on trail. Turn right at the next sidewalk entrance. Now we will need to go through a quiet little neighborhood. It only takes a few minutes. You are now on 215th Street. Just follow it until you hit the turnabout, then go left. You will pass through 2 more turnabouts. Just keep going straight. The street will end at Cloud Road, then you will cross over to a dirt road for about a 1/4 mile until you cross Riggs Road. There you will see Sonoqui Wash Trail. Head west. Now you are approaching the dirt road, which is actually South Chrisman Road. It is mostly used by farmers and bikes at this time. Follow it until it deads into Riggs Road. At this point, you have 3 options. You can walk your bike across Riggs Road as there is a large curb on the other side of the road. You also can take a sidewalk all the way down to the red light on your right, that is Ellsworth Road, or you can take the bike lane along the highway down to Ellsworth and get back on the path. Or you could just take a seat and relax. We have about 5 more miles until we hit Power Road and head north back to Queen Creek Wash Trail. Ike's Love and Sandwich Shop is a must-stop sometimes. I will link the website below. It is just north of Fry's at Ellsworth and Riggs. Stay to your right if you want to cross at the light and head to Ike's Love and Sandwiches. It is located at 24921 South Ellsworth Road, Suite 150. But for now, we are going to stay to the left and go under Ellsworth Road. It is a fun underpass and can be intimidating the first time you go through it. If you look to your right, you'll see a big white barn. That is the location of Queen Creek Botanical Gardens. Currently under construction and beautification. Closed for visitors. New and exciting amenities coming soon. I will put a link below. Also, if you like horses, rodeos, and equestrian sports, Chapman Automotive Arena, it's a place to be. I will link it below also. Now, let us head for the Desert Well Stagecoach stop. A historical gem in the middle of the desert. It is about 2 miles ahead. Now we come to the end of the trail for today. Literally, it might have been the end of the trail for many people. The ruins of the Desert Wells stage stop. Located just north of Chandler Heights Road on the east side of Sossaman Road, this site was a small spur stop for the Arizona Stage Company, founded in 1868. The stop provided water, shade, and protection for stages from Florence via Olberg and on to Mesa. Listed as historical by the San Tan Historical Society. I have been by it many times in my car, but never even noticed it. That's a beauty of getting out on a bike. You see things and life slows down, if only for a moment in time. You are a kid again and the world somehow is full of wonder and surprise. Like this little gem in the desert, Desert Wells Stagecoach stop. You can't help but think about the people who had a vision and followed it through with the good, the bad, and the ugly. No pun intended. Just an appreciation for a job well done. Until next time, happy trails.